Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Our pricing for 12x20 storage buildings starts at about $4,200 for a basic low-wall painted barn to $5,100 for a cottage-style storage building with vinyl siding. High-wall barns cost some more than that.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Does my shed need a foundation? Generally, smaller sheds of up to 8x6 do not need a foundation. Small sheds can be rested on crushed stone with either treated wood foundations or concrete foundation blocks. Large sheds will need to have strong foundations.
Take our lead.
Workshops. On average, a workshop costs $82,964 based off 141 quotes. This average includes industrial-sized warehouses that include office complexes. However, if you're looking for a backyard workshop like a man cave, you're looking at less. The average cost is $33,109.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.